Microsoft is doing absolutely everything to get more users to use Edge and the new Bing AI search engine. For example, if you try to download the Google Chrome from the official Google Chrome website, they have the ad there, or at least the notification that Microsoft Edge runs on the same technology as Chrome with added trust of Microsoft. They are doing the advertisement on other companies' website. Google also does this, but they do it on their own website. Like, for example, if you're using Edge or let's say Firefox and you visit any Google website, for example YouTube or the google.com, the most popular ones, you'll see similar ad or notification saying that switch to Chrome. But I think Microsoft is going too far. I mean, they are basically advertising on a Chrome's website. Let me show you one more interesting thing. Early this morning, I woke up, opened up my PC, and I see this new thing in my desktop. It is a Microsoft Edge search box directly installed and pinned to my desktop. I didn't ask for it, but Microsoft did it anyway. Yeah, and they gave me an option to whether you want to keep it or, close it. But I didn't ask for it. I guess they own the operating system, so they can do whatever they want. So, not gonna lie, it looks cool actually. Now, here is the crazy part. It's actually working. More people are actually using Microsoft Edge and also Bing AI. Actually, Bing AI is the reason why more people are using the Microsoft Edge. Within 48 hours, over 1 million people signed up for the new Bing AI. Yeah, the AI thingy is just taking over the internet. Remember this? This is a notification when you use the different browser other than the Chrome and you visit Google. Yeah, this is what we used to get, but things have changed a lot. I think Google knows it. Forget about the browser. Google's search engine itself is in danger. Check this out. I'm using a developer build of Microsoft Edge with all the new features, with integrated built-in Bing AI, and I'm in a Google website. Can you read this? Like using Google, switch your settings to always search with Google. So it's no longer a war between browsers now. Which browser is the best? No, that thing is old. Yeah, you know it. When you see this, you know it. It's the search engine war now. I'm pretty sure I don't need to explain you guys what the new Bing AI is. It's a chat GPT integrated with Bing search engine, and it is so powerful that people are just switching to new Bing AI, and they are obviously also switching to Edge because the Bing AI is built right into the browser. Yeah, it's actually scary for Google. Google is also working on an AI called Bard AI for their own search engine, but unfortunately, no one has the access to that AI. It's not publicly available. So Microsoft is way far ahead of Google in terms of AI. And right now, this is the year of AI. Everybody is talking about AI. Everybody is using AI. I mean, just look at this number. Over 100 million people are using ChatGPT. That's an AI. And it's crazy. Yeah. It's actually scary for the Google and also for the internet. I'll make a separate video on why, AI is killing the internet. I actually do like using Google for my search thingies. So let's click on yes and let's see what happens. Wow, they have the tutorial. It doesn't do it automatically. Wow, another pop-up. Still not about the Chrome. It's about the search engine. I told you guys. Google is in danger. Another tutorial. All right. Okay. I think they are out of the pop-up now. I mean, we can still use Google search and Bing AI at the same time, but the only sad part will be that it's not going to be a Chrome browser. It's going to be Edge. Because Edge has edge over Chrome. That's it, guys. I'm not going to talk too much. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.